Claude number one, GPT number one, Gemini number one, DeepSeek number one, Kimi number one, Llama number one. Everyone is number one and they're all telling the truth. They just each picked a different benchmark. So if everyone is winning, who is losing? If you followed AI this year, you have felt it. Every launch, another benchmark, another leaderboard, another world record. But here is what nobody tells you. This isn't really a story about AI. It's a pattern that has repeated in every technology revolution for 50 years. Today, we decode the benchmark war. Once you see the pattern, you will never watch an AI launch the same way again. Because this didn't start with AI. Every technology creates a measurement problem. Buy a computer in the 90s, Intel, AMD all swear they're fastest. How do you check? You invent CPU benchmarks, megahertz, then MIPS, then GPUs need frame rates, Nvidia versus AMD. Then smartphones, Apple and Qualcomm battle on Geekbench. Cameras go to megapixels. Every spec sheet has a number. EVs get range tests 0 to 60 and charging speed. And now AI. The name changes, the ritual does not. But benchmarks don't stay scientific for long. The moment money enters, the charts stop being science. Here is the tell. On SWE Bench Verified, one of the most cited coding leaderboards, 104 models are ranked and 0 are independently verified. Every score is self reported. A benchmark starts as a shared way to measure. Then it becomes a keynote slide, then an ad, then a headline, and then a stock moves. The science left the room a long time ago. But that's not even the biggest problem. Watch how the question keeps changing. MMLU launched in 2020. Can it answer exam questions? Top models scored 44%. Today, they are at 92. It is saturated. So, we move to human eval. Can it write code? Then SWE Bench. Can it fix real bugs in real repositories? Then Terminal Bench. Can it actually operate a computer? And now GDP Val. Can it match a professional doing real knowledge work? We didn't just raise the bar, we changed what we are measuring. We stopped asking about intelligence, we started asking about capability. But every single benchmark follows the same life cycle. Here is the pattern. A benchmark launches, nobody can solve it. Stage 2, labs optimize. Labs pour resources in. Scores climb. Stage 3, leaderboards. A leaderboard appears, the internet argues. Stage 4, marketing. Marketing takes over. It is in every keynote. Stage 5, saturation. Everyone saturates. The scores cluster, it stops telling you anything. Stage 6, a harder benchmark is born, and a new harder benchmark, the wheel never stops turning. The benchmark isn't lying, it just stopped answering the question people actually care about. This is the pattern: CPUs, GPUs, search engines, computer vision, chess engines, every era. And look at what harder really means in practice. Frontier models score around 88% on SWE Bench Verified, the number everyone quotes. But the same models on SWE Bench Pro are tougher version with less seen problems, 23%. Run them against your private unseen subset, 15. Same models, the number was never the capability. So how should you actually evaluate a model? Three questions. Anytime you see a benchmark claim, run these. Question 1. What behavior is this actually measuring? Not it is good, specifically what task, what format, what conditions. Question 2. Does that benchmark resemble your use case? A model that tops a coding agent benchmark is not necessarily the right choice for a support bot. Context is everything. And question 3, and this is the one that matters most: what isn't being measured? Latency, cost, memory across sessions. Taste. Does it sound right to your users? Trust. Does it recover gracefully when it falls? None of these appear on any leaderboard. And this points to something much bigger. The Not we scored X on benchmark, but how many customer tasks did we complete last month? What percentage of production incidents did the agent resolve? How much analyst time did we save? Numbers tied to reality, not optimized in isolation. And this isn't hypothetical. On GDP Val, 1300 real work tasks across 44 occupations. Frontier models already match professionals about half the time, and they do it roughly 100 times faster and 100 times cheaper. So stop asking who is winning and ask what behavior is being measured and what behavior is missing. Benchmarks don't tell you who is smartest, they tell you what someone chose to optimize for.